Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. Want dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the drama you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you were. You break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, flying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few drinks. One for the day that I learned, 2 for the bridges you burned, 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad, no. 1 for the drama you caused, 2 for the number of draws I found, 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone, or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take a bite.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was really excited about this unit, okay? But let me go ahead and give you guys the details and specs. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Megalook hair. Shout out to you, Megalook, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. This is my first time working with this company, and honey, they delivered, okay? But once again, let's get into the details and specs. So the wig that I am rocking is their Megalook hair 210% density long peekaboo highlight pink highlight green colored wig, new trendy body wave, 13x4 lace front wig. Child that's a lot. Okay, this unit is available in 20, 24, 26, and 28 inches. If I'm not mistaken, I think they sent me 24 inches. I could be wrong. If check the description box over here on the side, you guys can see it. The model is wearing 28 inches, 24 inches, so that's why I'm speculating that that's probably the length that they sent me as well. It says 100% human hair from one donor. The density is 210%. Transparent HD lace, 13x4. It can be dyed. There are a total of 4 combs. This is the average cap size, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, this is obviously a body wave wig. Now, I don't know if it came parted or not, but honey, it was easy to do the C. The C was C'ing already, you know, so I did decide to do sort of a C part. It's not a super deep C part, but I did decide to do one. Like, I kind of just went where the hair was going, girl, okay? As far as tweezing, I did none of the things. I did bleach the knots because I just felt like I needed to, but I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. Pink in this unit was really like the seller for me. Like, honey, first of all, pink is my favorite color, okay? And I have been trying to do better with wearing like crazy colors because apparently it embarrasses my son, okay? So I like that it has this little peekaboo sort of pink highlights. Like, you guys can see it and you'll see it better once I do my full 360, but I like it. I think it's a very different sort of cool look, and I just started throwing my little pink blazer, okay, because I was just feeling all the pink vibes. So yeah, that's that, and that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is extremely big head friendly, and I did have to cut off a lot of lace over here. So, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, honey. Okay, do with that what you want to do with that. And as far as shedding and tangling, honey, I ain't really noticed none of the ting strap the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do any other things at some point. Just a strap the packaging, old girl is doing other things. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. The only con that I have with this unit, say it with me, people in the back, say it with me, is the fact that it's a 13 by 4. Now granted, 13 by 4s is not a deal breaker for me in no way, shape, or form, but if I have to pick a con, that is gonna be the con, sis. So that is my con with this particular unit. Now, honey, as far as the pros, I love how it came pre-tweezed. I love this pink Peekaboo. I love the hair and the density. It is very full. I love a good full body wave unit. And I love the length. And I love the color. Did I say I love the color? I love the color. Yes, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this unit. Girl, it has pink highlights, honey. Yes, I would recommend this unit for all the reasons that I listed as pros. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so let me know down below in the comments what you guys feel or how you guys feel about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in those comments. Once again, shout out to you, Megalook, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style and we